Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ThriveCart affiliate program setup for your products, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log into your ThriveCart account. Navigate to the dashboard. Select products from the main menu. Locate the product you want to set up for affiliate marketing. Click on the product name to open its settings. Scroll down to the affiliate section. Toggle the affiliate program switch to enable it. Next, set your commission structure. Choose whether to offer a percentage of the sale or a fixed amount. If you select percentage, enter the desired commission rate. For fixed amounts, input the specific dollar amount you wish to offer. Consider whether you want to set up tiered commissions for affiliates. Tiered commissions can incentivize affiliates based on their sales volume. Now, choose your cookie duration. This determines how long the affiliate will earn commissions on referred sales. Set a duration that aligns with your business goals. Once you have configured the basics, proceed to the Integrations tab. Link your payment processors if you haven't done so already. This step ensures that commissions are tracked and paid out appropriately. Next, navigate to the Settings tab. Here, you can customize your affiliate program's details. Add informational materials like banners and promotional resources for affiliates. These resources can help affiliates effectively promote your products. You might also want to set up an approval process for new affiliates. This gives you control over who can promote your brand. After you have completed all settings, save your changes. To ensure everything is working correctly, test the affiliate setup. Create a test affiliate account to confirm tracking and commissions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.